Now where Miss A for this matter give Miss B, who they do house help for her parents family friend house, give her uniform and socks go house because the one wey she dey wear don scatter. The kind beating when they don't give this girl. Say she now the money she dey thief to go buy socks. Now the money she dey thief to go buy new uniform. Where she get am because of that incident, they know too they can't give her food for house because they say she dey thief, she belle food. That now why she dey get time to thief. And this girl, Miss A, once again said, okay, you know what? Anytime we close from school, me and you go first quickly go my house. You go chop before you go house. First week of school, they no see this girl. What did they happen now? Now so me say gather 1 or 2 or 3 people from their class. Say me will go look for this girl to go meet the guardian and say wait this girl. They take style ask for people around say I beg, Miss B, we did the same school. We never see her for some time. Hope not. They say tell her make she go fetch water outside and tap they run inside the house. So say make she go for well, go fetch water, come inside the house. She know today used to well or maybe accidents happen as usual. When she dey try to organize to remove am, na him the wife of the man wey she dey stay with see am, carry plank begin chase am. Crack. I will kill you today. You go hear well today. As the girl dey run, the girl fall down. Bah! As she fall down, the fall was so bad. As she fall down, still this woman still dey beat am. As the girl pass her, they rush am go hospital. After like 1 week, the girl wake up. They come find out say she get spinal cord injury. Why is it that some people no want make some people just progress in life? Wetin wicked people they gain when they do wickedness?
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and well-wishers of all ages, still 89.9 Yanga FM station we sabi, and we still did the segment where we call experience. And if you just dey join us, time check is now 27 minutes after 6 a.m. And the place where we carry the matter reach, like I talk in case you just dey join us, now where Miss A for this matter give Miss B, who they do house help for her parents family friend house, give her uniform and socks go house because the one wey she dey wear don scatter. By the time when she go see am again, the kind beating when they don't give this girl. Say she now the money she dey thief to go buy socks. Now the money she dey thief to go buy new uniform. Where she get am? When the last time when they want children say buy uniform, this girl done the thief. Beat am to confess wetin she no know and the one wey she know. She survive am. This girl felt bad. Say so she dey try help person, see wetin people still dey do to this person. No problem. At least they don't leave you small. Be say they don't leave am, but they say make she no wear the uniform and the socks. They seize am. So can you imagine? Okay, no problem now. So after some time, because of that incident, they know too they can't give her food for house because they say she dey thief, she belle food. That now why she dey get time to thief. And this girl, Miss A, once again said, okay, you know what? Anytime we close from school, me and you go first quickly go my house. You go chop before you go house so that you go dey okay. No problem now. Beggar get no choice now. So once they close from school, Miss A says if Miss B come to the house, come chop. The way where she go chop the food there, and after she chop the food there, she go clean her mouth, sote. She go put hand for ground, take sand, rub her face. So that when she reach house, they no go even think say she don't chop. Before they go say she don't go thief their money again. So then they go buy food for outside. So they were like that for some time before this semester finished. Everybody went on break. After they went on break, they came back to school. This time they are now in maybe primary 5 or primary 6 or something. After they came back from break, Miss Ed said, first day of school, you don't see this girl. Second day of school, they don't see this girl. First week of school, they don't see this girl. What did they happen now? Now, so me say gather 1 or 2 or 3 people from their class. Say, me will go look for this girl. Any way take be. She no be that kind of person. She go come school. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, a quick reminder. This is not a true life story of somebody's journey in life. They go find this girl house. So quick, they reach the compound. As they reach the compound, they no bond them to go meet the guardian and say, wait, this girl. They take style ask for people around say, I beg, Miss B, we did the same school. We never see her for some time. Hope not. They say, if you know what happened to the girl, what happened to the girl now? They say one day during their break, the wife of the man wey she dey stay with, true life story, sadly enough, tell her make she go fetch water outside and tap dey run inside house. So tap dey run. Say make she go for well, go fetch water, come inside the house. Person wey be say normal na tap she dey use. She no too dey used to well, or maybe accidents happen as usual. That thing wey dey take draw water inside well, as she dey try to draw water, what you call am? That thing. The thing fall inside the well. As e fall inside the well, when she dey try to organize to remove am, na him the wife of the man wey she dey stay with see am, carry plank begin chase am. Crack. I will kill you today. You go hear well today. As the girl dey run, the girl fall down. Bah! As she fall down, the fall was so bad. As she fall down, still this woman still dey beat am. Na compound person dey tell them this one. Say before they know wetin dey happen, the girl pass out. As the girl pass out, they rush am go hospital. After like 1 week, the girl wake up. They come find out say she get spinal cord injury. Say as they speak right now, they don package the girl, go back to their mama house. Say the girl, she dey play too much. Now she fall. Now she break her back. Say they don't feel keep her again. This person said since that time, till this person grew up, say she dey always ask one question, and this same question we go ask una today on top 89.9 Yanga FM station wey sabi, on top the award-winning Wetin Dey with Punky, Awolo, Ejiro and myself. One simple question: wetin wicked people dey gain when they do wickedness? How wicked person dey feel when they wicked person? Wetin go make person wicked sote e go see another human being as a lapo from the trenches? Why is it that some people no want make some people just progress in life? The main question wey go help us answer, beg. We go for break now, we go come back. Wetin wicked people dey gain when they do wickedness? And then again, why is it that all these rich people, they always like to go meet their family wey no too rich, carry one pikin there, come turn am to househelp for their house? They treat her like worse pass the dog wey they get for house. Another person said another thing. Since yesterday, my people, we don dey see orishi revelations. We go share some with una, but the one we want first take start today, na simple question again on 090-4821-3013. Some people say na stupid question, no, but think about them. I beg. So, ladies and gentlemen, friends and well wishers of all ages, we say make una put mouth for this matter on WhatsApp 090-4821-3013. That's WhatsApp. On top, I beg, you don't get house help for your house before. You don't live for environment where we say they bring person to come live with you now, so that the person they go try help him to help you. And somebody wrote something I want to share with everybody still on this matter, because this matter heavy since yesterday. The person talk say, if you get house help and people feel differentiate between your house help and your children, that means you're a wicked person.
Exactly.
Again, if you get house help or you get family member where they stay with you, where you say you want train, and they can say this one are your pikin, this one are your house help, you be wicked person.
Frosky.
No, they call me like dog.
Sorry, Dada. This
have you not missed him calling you like that?
A real life experience. Somebody that accused Hajia before say me I no be African. Wallahi, accuse my mother say this one no be African. Why? So I go wake up. You see, I wake up earlier than all my siblings. Na me go page water pull the whole house. That type you know there. Because na me go wash all the kwano where they used chop to yesterday night. Now me go kill in the kitchen, do everything.
At the end of the day.
Until the day my mother said, no, my pikin budafa. He said, no, be your pikin, because why not only him they do the whole job?
You see this matter, you go enter some level where we say, people no go to like this money. But the truth is always the truth.
Yeah.
Why is it that when you say you want to help somebody, make her carry and go, make her go train them, you turn them into an animal. And guess what?
How?
Guess what? You see that thing where you dey do to that pikin.
Somebody go do your homework.
Apart from that, you see that thing where they do that pikin. They say person where they pursue bird pikin, they teach am how to fly higher.
Exactly.
That thing where you dey teach say you dey wicked that pikin, you dey build am up for the future.
Exactly.
The only problem is when you begin to get violent with that pikin.
But the truth na say, if you dey treat person pikin badly, wey you carry come take care of your own children, you no fit say they go do am to your pikin.
No, they
know they get option. They know they get option.
You see, if you check our this thing, na two lines.
Okay.
But these two lines they very slim. You know if you draw the line. Sometimes, say you don't invest, you won't try install discipline to somebody where you carry come stay with you. Sometimes they be like that, and then they try to say do something. You repeat one thing over and over again. This person is not getting it. Sometimes it can be frustrating.
Exactly.
If you do that one, I agree. Say yes. Everybody needs correction. But when it is a habit, when it is a character,
that they go so.
You know they go church. They say make the pikin sit down for house. Now carry dress now pikin carry go church or mosque or whatever. They chop food. You say make that girl go chop for kitchen for ground. Your own pikin they sleep. You tell that one make you wake up for 6 a.m. go they wash your children clothes.
To be honest,
wickedness.
To be honest with you. You know, say that's why it good make with the look and wear. Because sometimes if you don't even know the one be wickedness, and don't be like say out of frustration of putting that picking or that person will bring on your house.
There's a thin line between instilling discipline and
maltreatment. That's why I talk and say
maltreatment and maltreatment.
See, when you don't carry person put for house, it they come with a lot of things. Yes. Sometimes you get good intentions. But the frustration, they
return the pikin now.
They come. What about if they know? See, I don't see person say carry your own relative, your own blood come house, but your own blood come house, call they claim right like now my brother house, now my sister house.
Then that shows me that that person get problem.
You call this a lot of. For instance, when they talk about so you go now go eat for dining, I may go eat for grand. You don't have to say me eat for that. You go eat for that and leave the plate for there.
If you listen, if that person does it once, does it twice, does it 3 times, it is a habit. You have to. You don't have to be physical.
Not be physical matter.
You don't have to because these ones where they talk about, they get physical. They beat them. They treat them
even your own picking post.
Yoruba proverb talk say
if you are not careful, your picking can provoke you to the point
Yoruba people talk. He say no matter as your picking take bad reach, you know if you give am to lion to chop.
But that one no stop to say you know correct.
Correct am go be say make you kill am.
Which day here? Donald Trump don sign executive order for USA. But if the executive order now say make teachers say teachers now get the right to whoop.
And you go see wetin go happen now.
Now go see wetin students the way they teach.
Now go see wetin go happen
because like or not this generation now. You see
but you know say to beat pikin no be the actual best.
I don't understand.
When you go beat pikin reach, he go master the beating.
I'm telling you.
Whether you like am or not, there's what we call a balanced parenting. You cannot take whooping out of it. You the balance. You the balance.
Different strokes for different
segments
where they call experience.
Inside express already, we already begin to talk with the SUP already. As they consign the man, the lady will say they talk to the Househelp, and then from there we move. I mean, we see the video go viral. We see the Househelp they eat spaghetti, and then from there we move enter the story where they grand, and then. To cut the long story short, we talk about how people they treat their house help.
Because most of
how people
they
treat their maid. But then I got to draw on our attention to the fact say sometimes to mostly they talk about how these maids they behave for their host houses.
That's way important be that.
If you carry house help where they perform some kind of performance, we be and go back.
Okay, so sometimes it's not easy like that too.
See, this lady will lie. Webila,
and go back. No, a very simple thing. No, if you go carry the one way pass, you don't say if you talk to your pikin sit down, your pikin go sit down. You talk to because they accept now, not be from small if you carry them. You don't get some level of training before the Webi and can't give you. So if you carry and say, okay, they try imbibe the cultures where you imbibe for your pikin enter, and you know they correspond, the flash don't corrupt. You Webi and go back, say thank you very much. So you know let me do. That for you to come, yes, that for you to come. They beat them. You will come keep it.
Well. So the beating part, abuse na abuse.
Any
whether to your pikin whether not to an housemaid do, whether not to your spouse do, abuse na abuse. Now let's get that one fact first.
Funny enough, not be even beating alone. Like the one I was just telling, say I discover this shouting. Me, I know say I get loud voice, but I don't know say they practicing the freaking like that.
So, but then
you understand?
Wait, I go just wait. I try to talk before now and I say this thing are in two ways.
Yes.
Because even your own picking sometimes it can frustrate you.
No be like. No, I agree. I agree with you.
You
go tell her say, hey, you go do it. Hey, you go still do it.
Best way no get anger issue. He born picking finish. You come be like saying at that time. You come be like say he get anger issue true. But you don't even get before. Or maybe that's what you say. You know the hear in voice for the come. You know the hear in voice. But the moment picking begin to grow, you go begin to hear the person voice. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that, apart from the first say Househelp Day inside this matter, which we are still addressing. Now say, now we deal with human beings here, and we will be human beings here. We get different characteristics.
Of course, that one day.
Colleague self.
Yeah.
Yes.
You say.
Compound people.
Oh. You don't go.
Church members.
Yeah.
Mosque members. The same mosque people.
Senator, up your mic.
So
up
we get different attitude, different characteristics. Not even the highest office, almost the highest office for our government. Now we see they get some this one did this one said that one. So what I'm trying to say is that individual differences. But then, like on a talk, before you go keep us in Peking, like you don't say that they provoke you like that. We better say you send and go back to where you come from. Yeah, I think Awala is right on that one. But when we come back, we'll talk some more about this matter. Don't forget to send messages now 0904 821 3013 0904 821 3013. How you say?
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.